of opportunities that are coming up with InsurTechs is something every company will benefit from and they should benefit from. If you look at any company, and I'll be specific about life insurance companies, the three challenges that we all have is productivity enhancement, cost optimization, and customer retention. These are the three major issues. Now, everybody has tried every single possible solution in terms of manual efforts. The moment you get into manual efforts, what happens is your cost increases. So it's like one of those jigsaw puzzles. You keep moving one piece and the other two pieces keep falling off the radar. And the only way I have seen that this can happen is through technology. Because technology allows you to actually do a lot of reach and process enhancements without proportionate cost increase. Something as simple as the kind of servicing that we can do in rural areas, or something as simple as digitization of money. If you can get a money transfer from the customer directly into your account without the guy moving out of his place of work. I can reach interiors irrespective of bank branches. I don't need people to go, and that's become a thing of the past already, right? I mean, we no longer go to a bank to deposit. We're not dependent on the banking system any longer. So that's a very simple example. So I'm very gung-ho. I think I give my team a lot of pain in the amount of reading I do, superficial reading, and then I come back and say, I read about this and I think we can do something here. And then people are supposed to go around and figure it out. My own dealing with, I've kind of spent time with a dozen or more of InsurTechs, and what I find the biggest challenge is that InsurTech companies seem to be technical companies. Their ability to create a proposition and fill the need of a customer is actually limited. So if I have to illustrate through an example, let's talk about sales management, right? And you look at any software available in the market on sales management, it will give you only activity management. It will give you to the best, it will track, okay, the person has to enter from where he went, what he did, and so on and so forth. So now you've got geotagging, so you kind of tell the guy you have to activate geotagging, you can figure out where he's gone. Location you'll be able to do. You still don't know what he's done at that location. Then you say, okay, you know what, we've got these apps that can record what the guy is doing, we just have to install it. So whenever he goes, he just needs to keep it on, whatever he's doing, it gets automatically recorded. Now each of those facilities are available in different apps. They're not available as one consolidated app. And the next one is in sales management. What is your biggest challenge in terms of productivity is for a sales manager to look at the data and ask a question based not just on an output. I heard this before and I use it. Most sales managers are Gabbar Singhs. They'll get into kitne aadmi the, so kitna paisa laya, kitna dhanda hua. So beyond that, there's no question that can be asked. Whereas what you really need as sales management is intelligent questions on, okay, who was the customer? What was his profile? What did you understand as the need? What product did you pitch? How did you pitch it? When did you pitch it? Because a sale, as we all know, is not robotic. A customer will behave differently based on his moods. And as a salesperson, that's why I believe a salesperson's job is not really in threat, because until we get into a great level of NLP, you will always need that to be able to sell. I don't have a software, we don't have an InsurTech. I have not seen one, read about it anywhere that provides a solution. So that's what is frustrating me, is that we see a lot of development, but I don't think we see solutions to the needs.